Hello everyone and welcome back to Liquide Coin, your real buddy and favorite channel. We have a fascinating topic to discuss today, and believe me when I say that many people have differing viewpoints on this. People, please let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Let's get started without further ado. SAFEMOON has been on a mission to the moon for quite some time. Many people have praised and adored the community-driven token, and as of today, a slew of partnerships are in the works for SAFEMOON, and this man will ensure that the token is here to stay. Today, we're going to discuss about SAFEMOON and how it'll go to $1, which will be detailed step by step, so stay tuned until the conclusion. If you're unfamiliar with cryptocurrencies, SAFEMOON is a cryptocurrency token developed on the Binance Smart Chain blockchain in March 2021. SAFEMOON is a digital currency that is similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it differs in some ways. Its founders claim they are aiming to address some of the issues that plague other digital currencies, such as price volatility. SAFEMOON has three functions that take place during each trade, according to the SAFEMOON website: reflection, LP acquisition, and burn. Another question is, how does it work? SAFEMOON is a cryptocurrency, which are digital currencies that exist solely online and hope to be used as a medium of exchange. Like more popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, SAFEMOON is powered by distributed ledger technology such as blockchain. SAFEMOON was created on the Binance Smart Chain blockchain and only has a market cap of about $1.3 billion as of September 2nd, 2021, compared to about $930 billion for Bitcoin. We'll check into various projections to see if it'll reach the $1 level. SAFEMOON's price has risen dramatically in the previous 12 months, reaching an all-time high of $0.00013999 just a month ago. Analysts expect that the SAFEMOON price will close to a new all-time high level before the end of the year, with no hint of a resistance level. Another cause for this is SAFEMOON's corporate involvement in charity programs, which influences the liquidity pool and attracts additional users to invest. SAFEMOON's price is projected to reach $1 much sooner than expected, according to analysts, as the price has been displaying optimistic momentum, steadily moving up since the beginning to attract more buyers. Despite the escalation in SAFEMOON cryptocurrency, analysts are cautiously looking at the cryptocurrency market outlook due to the recent drop in the crypto prices to their support levels. According to CNBC International's forecast, SAFEMOON crypto fans say it's trading down to the unprecedented wave of stimulus from governments and central banks around the world to tackle the coronavirus crisis would only make investing in SAFEMOON trade rise. Such measures, they say, devalue fiat currencies, making SAFEMOON a profitable investment in the cryptocurrency market. Based on technical analysis, the current price of SAFEMOON token is around $0.000005, with a market cap of $2,924,837,695 US. The 24 hours trading volume of the SAFEMOON token is at $35,099,950, with a circulating supply of 585,536,366,402,812 SAFEMOON. There are predictions galore by experts, and their forecast is worth pursuing, which helps you decide whether you should buy or sell the SAFEMOON tokens. Wallet Investor predicted that the SAFEMOON price prognosis for 2026 is $0.000237. With a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around 4,640+%. The currency might reach $0.00000738 by the end of the year and $0.00001503 by 2025, according to Digital Coin Price. According to the website coinmarketcap.com, SAFEMOON's current price is $0.000002 US, with a $8,743,241 24-hour trading volume. SAFEMOON to USD exchange rates are updated in real time. SAFEMOON has lost 1.76% of its value in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is now ranked number 212 on CoinMarketCap, with a live market cap of $1,336,524,553 US. The maximum supply of SAFEMOON coins is unknown, although there are 585,536,366,402,812 in circulation. Isn't it all excellent news? Furthermore, according to Gove Capital and the global coverage, the currency price could trade around $0.000425 by the end of 2021 and $0.002553 by the end of 2025, and SAFEMOON trading will continue to grow around the world with its back and forth It's safe to say it could reach the $1 milestone by the end of this decade by 2030. If all financial services and market outlets switch to this money in 2021, this digital asset is set to break through all obstacles and thrive wildly, reaching the aforementioned pinnacle. If it's exceeded all limitations in the coming year, it would surely signal good fortune for investors. Backed by robust smart contracts, SafeMoon price may easily touch $0.000085 by the end of this year. SafeMoon is preparing to reaffirm its position as a prominent draw among its investing community in 2022. The path ahead is full of ease and beauty if investor confidence continues to rise, culminating in a strong price push that has taken the price past all obstacles, scaling $0.000011 Another reason it will hit $1 is that it's well known. This coin is very well liked. It's one of the most decentralized and transparent assets. It's no surprise that its benefits outweigh its drawbacks. As a result, investors are more likely to buy SafeMoon with confidence and keep an eye on future SafeMoon price projections. So, how safe is the SafeMoon network? The developer burned all tokens in the dev wallets before launch. There was a fair launch on dev wallet. The LP is locked on DX Locker for 4 years, and an LP is generated with every trade and locked on PancakeSwap, according to the SafeMoon white paper. SafeMoon's price has increased by nearly 350,000% since 2021, and it now trades at $0.000041. Several reasons have contributed to the altcoin's ascent. Investors are rushing to identify the next big crypto idea, inspired by Bitcoin's explosive returns. The dividend-like disbursements of SafeMoon, as well as the assurance of price stability and low value, have made it a popular pick among investors pursuing the next Bitcoin. We get the question, when exactly will it hit $1? To be very honest, SafeMoon enthusiasts are yearning for it to reach $1. Many investors would become millionaires if the altcoin reached that level. To achieve $1 at this present price of $0.000041, the cryptocurrency would have to gain 24 million%. Since its inception, SafeMoon has averaged monthly gains of around $120,000. It could hit $1 in 2021 if it continues to grow at this rate. However, if the altcoin grows at a rate of 100% each month, it'll take 2 years to reach that price level, which will be in 2023. SafeMoon has paid off well for early investors, with lifetime returns of 350,000%. It hit an all-time high of $0.00001399 in April, but has subsequently fallen 70% from that high, presenting a buying opportunity. If SafeMoon's development ambitions, like as the creation of a SafeMoon exchange and video game ventures, come to fruition, it may attract additional investors and raise the price. The altcoin's listing on prominent platforms like Coinbase could potentially help it gain traction. However, there is no such thing as a risk-free investment. Because SafeMoon is a new cryptocurrency, it must be approached with caution. SafeMoon, the current price is $0.00000227 with a market capitalization of $1,316,574,720 and a market capitalization dominance of 0.06%. It has a trading volume of $7,916,774. As we all know how SafeMoon is linked to Elon Musk, and anyone connected to Elon Musk can go to the moon with ease. As a result, the coin's value is steadily rising. This coin has the potential to pay off handsomely. It's currently worth $0.00000778. In addition, the price of coins has risen by 3% today. If you want to get SafeMoon, now is the perfect moment to do it. Lastly, this is an educational video and has nothing to do with financial advice. Please be careful when investing. If you liked this video and haven't already subscribed, please do so, since we put so much effort into bringing you the best piece of advice and content so that you can educate yourself. Please share your thoughts on this in the comments below, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching this video.